What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and in today's video I'm going to give you guys the tips, the knowledge on how to strap in standing up. And you might be like, that's not important, why do I want to do that? It is important because one, you don't want your butt to get wet or cold by sitting down in the snow. Also, always being in a ready position if you need to move out of the way of someone that's falling and going to run into you, or just in general, just being faster and using less energy, not having to push off the ground, is going to help you have a longer day on the mountain. So these are going to be some important tips to learn how to strap in while standing up, and they're going to help you a bunch. Even if you're a decent snowboarder, you might not know how to do this, so let's jump into it. So first we got to get the first foot in. Like, this is an easy way of strapping in while standing up because you got this foot, you know, supporting you. The hard foot to strap in while standing up is going to be this back foot right here. All right, so our first foot is strapped in. Let's pretend that we're on the top of the mountain now, and we'll go up there and continue this video. But let's say we want to strap in our other foot right now. What happens is a lot of people, they're in this position and now they want to strap in, and then their board starts going and they're trying to strap in while standing up, and the snowboard's moving on them and they're all out of position and it's awkward, you fall down. What we want to do, and I'm actually kind of already in a pretty flat space, is we want to find a nice flat spot to strap in. And if you don't have a flat spot, you want to create a flat spot. And how do you create a flat spot to strap in? So first, you're going to take your snowboard, which has a sharp edge, and you're going to kick it into the snow like this. And if you do it at an angle too, you kind of create not only a shelf, but like a shelf that's creating a different fall line that you kind of suck into. So now, like, I could literally do anything. I'm not moving. I created this nice little pocket for my snowboard to sit, so I can put my foot in and strap in. Like, I'm not going anywhere. I could literally like pick up a snowball and huck it. Like, I didn't go anywhere. That's because of the shelf I created. If you come nice down and low, you can see, like, I can stick my fingers under my snowboard. This is how you want your shelf to be when you strap in. So that's easy said and done while we're down here at the bottom, you know, area. But let's go up the lift. Let's kind of get onto a pitch, you know, something that's a little more difficult to strap in on. And let's go do it over there. So we're at the top of the mountain. This is like 90% of the strapping in that we're going to be doing. Now, I like to strap in facing down the way that I'm going to be riding. A lot of people also like to strap in this way, and that digging in technique still works with your back towards the mountain. Once again, I have this nice angle right here that if I want to strap in, I can. I'm here, I'm locked in. Vice versa, come over this way. Dig my foot in. If it's icier, it's gonna be harder to get that shelf, but just, you know, stick with it. Now I got the shelf. I'm not as angled, it's more of a flat strap in, but I'm not going anywhere. You know, I can, boom, and now I can strap in. Once again, we don't wanna sit down because this wet snow, especially late season, is gonna get your butt soaking wet. You also don't want to be that dude riding around with a nice white patch on your butt that clearly says, like, I sit down when I strap in. Also, I'm sitting here. What if someone comes off the chairlift and they're out of control and I need to get out my way? They're screaming and hollering. They can't stop, but I can, like, oh, don't hit me, don't hit me. You know, if I'm standing up, I can make that adjustment. If I'm sitting down, it's a lot harder. And lastly, all I'm doing is this to strap in instead of pushing off the ground, getting more exhausted. If standing up and strapping in all day saves you one run through the whole day, that's one more run you get to do, which is awesome. So standing up and strapping in is important. Now, I hope all those tips on strapping in helped you. If they did, one, subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. But if you really want to support the dream, consider snagging an Evolution sticker or any of our merch. And if you do snag it, just tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shots in the vlogs. And also, I don't know everything about snowboarding. I've been doing it for 13 years, so these are the gems, these are the things I do while I snowboard. But if I left something out, I didn't cover something on how to strap in standing up, or you have something, a gem that is just like the game changer for you, comment that down below, share it. Let's get people better at snowboarding. Also, check out other awesome snowboard YouTube channels out there. There's so many people dropping incredible knowledge. So check out those dudes. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video because it is daily on this snowboard channel.